Alright, we'll see how well this goes. This will be my first video using this camera, and it doesn't look like there's enough light, but hopefully this will be fine. So I'm using this torque screw. You just push it in one of the holes and it should just come right out. I'm going to use the torque screw to remove the screws. At that point, they should just come right off like this. If they don't, like this one, oh, that one actually came off. There we go. If they don't, then on the back side, you can, here, let me do it this way. What you can do is you put your knife in here like this, and you should be able to pop it, and then turn it over, and then take it apart like that. And then of course reverse the operation to put it back together.